This is BCCK TV Channel 20 Metro Manila. BCCK is owned and operated by the Central Katipunan Network. Our transmitter is located at Meralco Avenue, corner San Antonio, Ortigas, Pasig City, with 510 kilowatt effective radiated power. We now conclude another day of broadcasting. CKM will resume regular programming at 5:30 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. On behalf of the Central Katipunan Network and all of our constituents across the nation, we thank you for watching, and we invite you to tune in again tomorrow. This is DZCK TV Channel 20 Metro Manila, now signing off. Good night.